Hola everyone! Maayong aga sa inyong tanan. So, one of my most requested video would be is to take you on a house tour. So, since this is my first vlog, I decided why not I'll take you on the actual work. Let's go! Welcome to the JV house. Were asking me what tips or advice I can give on how to build your dream house on a budget. So I would like to remind everybody, so paalaala lang po, I'm not an architect by profession, but kaya kagaya ng akala ni Miss Giliana Victoria Sari of Quezon. Yes, I would love to give some tips and advice based on my experience and it works for me. Therefore, for my first tip on choosing your house color would be, so take a look around. Check your neighbors and then tingnan mo kung ano yung kulay na wala pa sa kapitbahay. And then select the color para mag-stand out ka from them. So in my case, so sa street namin wala pa akong nakikitang bahay dito na yung color motif is black and white. So that's my inspiration, and instead of black, I opt for a earth or neutral color, parang earth tone lang siya. Kasi as per my grandpa's advice, so darker color, especially on roofing, it absorbs more heat, so it will cost you higher electricity consumption. Or I choose charcoal gray and white as my main motif. So look at it. Malimig sa mata, simple, and classic. So this section is the exterior facade or the face of the building. So from the word itself, face of the building. So another tip that I can give is that, of course, you want your house to be remembered. So that's why I come up with this brilliant idea to put an acronym. So it is inspired by a French luxury brand, Louis Vuitton or LV, and I wish I have one. So I replaced the letter L with J. So that's what makes the JV house. Yes, I know that's my initial, but not only me, my sisters and brother and my niece, their names also start with J. So this house is literally for the JV. So welcome to the JV house. So come guys, let's go inside. So actually, this is a two-story house. So since the pandemic, of course, yung financial capacity mo medyo affected. So if you're working on a budget, so yung ginawa ko in my case is, for this quarter, yung target ko muna is matapos yung ground floor. So gusto ko siya muna i-close lahat para maging livable na siya. Kasi pag pinakontinue mo na rin kasi yung second floor and then baka maalanganin ka sa budget. So I suggest, kung gusto nyo talaga two-story house, all you have to do is ipauna nyo muna, patapusin yun sa baba. And then, you have to ensure na dapat yung mga poste, yung mga beam is ready na siya for the second floor. So, maybe in the future, or let's say pag nakaipon ka na ulit, kung nag-decide ka na i-continue mo na yung second floor, so at least yung ground floor mo ready na siya. So, that's what I do. So, actually, that's the second floor over there. So, dyan ko itatayo yung room ko, and hopefully, yeah, I'm still home. And over here, so hindi ko pa rin pinag-iiba. So yung bahay kubo namin is nandito pa rin since hindi pa pwede tirahan yung ground floor here. So dito mo nagsistay yung si mama, yung sisters, brothers ko, and then yung mga pamangkin ko. So dyan lang, so the main entrance. So I have two main entrance here. So this one is for ito sa kitchen siya. Yan. So I blonded na glass din. And over here, this is the entrance to the living room. So as you can see guys, so another thing that I can give, no, so if you have a very small space, so in order for you to maximize, so in my case, yung ginawa ko, nakuha ko siyang idea na to, na dapat pag maliit lang yung space mo, parang kailangan mo taasan yung kisame or yung ceiling ng house. So it gives the illusion na sobrang laki ng bahay mo. So parang malapad siya. As you can see, yung floor natin, yung tiles, it's also the same with my color motif, nandun pa rin siya. So it's charcoal gray and white. And over here, so this is my favorite, one of my goodbye items. So, the mirror. So, maraming nagsiselfie dito. It's actually from Doza, Korean surplus. So, better watch out for that. So, that's for the next episode. So, I'm going to unbox all my Doza collection that I bought from them. And this one also. This dining set is also from Doza. So, it's parang ano siya, second-hand siya ng mga furniture items or home improvement items from Korea. And look, sino magsasabing second-hand ko? So I already posted this for how many times in my social media platforms. And here, so this will be the bedroom. So we have 2 bedrooms here. So bedroom 1, so this is actually for my mom's bedroom. So, hindi pa tapos yung tiles over here. So, ayan. So, mataas din yung ceiling niya. So, it gives you the illusion na sobrang malapad siya. Actually. So, that's one of a good tip na I've read online. And over here is our bedroom 2. Ayan. This will be my temporary bedroom kasi hindi pa nga tapos yung sa taas. So there are still lots of work to do. Then, if you're working on a budget, so paunti-unti, hindi mo kailangan wersahin yung sarili mo. So, kailangan mo rin budgetin kung ano lang yung kaya. So there's another big window over here for ventilation purpose. Ayan. So, marami akong plan with this room. This will be my temporary bedroom, that's one. And over here, ditong section naman. So, this will be our comfort room. So, come inside. So, medyo malapad din siya. Ayan. So, gusto ko rin kasi malapad yung CR kasi I wanted to have a division over here. So, gusto ko dito yung shower area. So, this will be dito yung sink and then yung ano ang tawag dito? Ay. Toilet bowl. So, para at least pag nahigo ka, hindi siya lahat basa. Kasi para at least yung area na to is dry and then yung shower area dito is yung clean. Ito yung wet lang. And as you can see guys, so still yung tiles dito sa kitchen, sa CR. So still. So kung makikita nyo yung color ko, talagang hindi ako nawawala dun sa color motif ko na charcoal gray and white. So anything on this house is inspired to that theme. So para at least, ano pa rin siya, malamig sa mata. This section, so basically, so dito ko ilalagay or dito ko ipapagawa yung stairs, yung hagdanan going to the second floor on going to my room sa taas. So ngayon wala pa siya. So yung ginawa ko, pina-close ko lang siya muna para at least since hindi pa naman ako umpisahan yung second floor. So, para maganda siyang tingnan. So, kung may mga bisita ka, so you can already accept visitors dito sa second floor. On this section of the house, yung living room is all white. And dito naman, when it comes to the kitchen, yung color motif niya, this will be the black section of the house. So, parang lahat ng ano niya is charcoal gray. So, I decided na charcoal gray kasi kitchen, as you can see, dumihin. So, yung tilamsek pag naghuhugas ka, pag nagluluto ka. So, ito, so yung makita niyo rin yung tiles ng kitchen sink natin is also charcoal gray and white. Para at least, pag white kasi masyado din dumihin. And then, considering na may mga bata, may mga pamangkin ako dito. So, i-maximize the space din, I decided na i-convert yung window na to into a countertops. So parang at least if you were parang nag-chichilax ka, put a bar stool here, para at least kung gusto mo mag-coffee, pwede ka umupo dito, buksan mo yung bintana. So para it's a good ambience. And over there, may kita nyo yung, para at least kunyari may garden over there, no? Na may Bermuda grass tayo dyan. So before I end this video, I would like to thank all my friends and other people na hindi ko naman kilala personally, but they give me words of encouragement for me to pursue and do this thing. So, and also, I would like to thank yung lahat na nakapag-subscribe na to my channel. For those who are not, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for more videos and hopefully on the actual house tour. This has been Jolan. See you next time. ba? Matagalog.
Ilonggo pwede man ah. Sa Ilonggo kami.
So, dati, laman ng bag. So, a lot of my... Diba, ang kaon mo? Itong timo ka solid wood na ano, touch mo ko na yung washing, ha? Kakabatian. Yeah, so please bear with me. Ganun talaga pag nasa residential setting ka. That's normal yung mga community noise, like yung mga tricycle, yung mga sasakyan. Yeah, may mga nagwa-washing, may mga bata. So that's okay.